Hi Jay, when is your birthday? I mean, like, when do you celebrate your birthday every year? My birthday? Why are you asking about my birthday? By the way, I celebrate my birthday on 1st of October. Oh, that's very close. Aren't you excited? Yes, it's just around the corner. I'm so excited. I feel like over the moon. So tell me, what are your plannings for your birthday party? Actually, my parents already planned for my birthday party. They plan to celebrate this birthday at home normally. Alright, that's okay, but what about our friends group party which we actually planned last year? Oh, no party bro. I'm broke these days. Can't you understand this? Hey, what broke bro? Don't you remember that you promised for a nice party last year? Don't you remember this? Yes, I know. I still remember that I promised for a nice party last year. But you see, I'm broke these days. I can't afford that much money. Okay, fine. If the problem is money, then we'll do one thing. We all friends will contribute some amount of money and organize and spend those all money for your birthday party. Can that be cool? Yeah, that's amazing, right? That's fabulous. And what about my birthday gift? What did you plan to gift me on my birthday party? Oh my god, again for the birthday gift. Okay, please wait. I'll have to attend an urgent call, right? I'll be right back. Please hold on.
20 minutes later.
Wow. He actually made excuse right now. By the way, I don't know whether he will gift me or not on my birthday party, but you can surely gift me by clicking like button of this video and sharing it with your friends. And if you enjoyed this video of conversation and if you like my work, what I'm doing right now, so please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon. Now at the end, I would like to thank you everyone for watching this video till the end. Now for right now, that's all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.